Guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, October the 24th, 2022. New week with new puzzles, and I've already done 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, in Dutch they call it Cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes, and this one will be number 5378. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but I rather think it's an easy one. The hard ones, has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. So is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. First question to you is, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes, no. Triple boxes then, and we see here a triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? I cannot see any quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We see here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. Okay, so that box has the same name as this box. All right, only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction or the Z shape? Figure, structure, or construction. All right. When you flip this or mirror this, then you get the S figure or shape figure. Yes, but in this case it's the Z. And when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. And also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as also this box. The Z construction. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No. Only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember. Yeah, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Do we have more? No. And then the last shape. How about the L shape? Upside down. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum are 6 shapes. And we have in this puzzle all the shapes, all the figures, all the structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. These two boxes can be a 4. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 3. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. This box is also connected with this box. Also 2 or a 3. We have a pair here, so the other pair in this T-shaped area are the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. All right. Then. Let me see. 3 and 5. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. Here, those two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 also there. So here can be 1 and there can be 1. This box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, but also this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Okay, these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These two boxes can be 4. Those two boxes can be 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5, alright. These are 3 boxes, surround the 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. These are 3 boxes, surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 2. Wait. Can this be a 1? No, 1. If I place a 1 here, this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Could be a 4, but it can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 4 now. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. Alright. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3, can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, but also that box can be a 2. We have also a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. I should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These are 3 boxes, surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there in this area. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. We go up. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left now. The final 2 numbers for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.